Hello everyone, welcome to Dream Decor. Today in this video I share with you some country style kitchen decoration ideas. Let's see the video. Country style kitchen decor is all about warmth, charm and a welcoming rustic feel that makes the kitchen the heart of the home. It combines natural materials, vintage details, and cozy accents. Here are some key elements and ideas for decorating a country-style kitchen. Key features of country-style kitchen decor: natural materials, wood, stone, and brick add rustic charm. Use wooden cabinets, exposed beams, or butcher block countertops. Warm and neutral colors: green, beige, sage green, soft yellow, or muted blues create a cozy vibe. Open shelving: display ceramic dishes, glass jars, and vintage cookware for a homely look. Farmhouse sink: a big apron front sink is a classic country kitchen staple. Vintage touches: mason jars, enamelware, copper pots, and antique kitchen tools add authenticity. Textiles: gingham, floral, or crocheted curtains, tablecloths, and seat cushions give warmth. Rustic furniture: a large wooden dining table or an old farmhouse island becomes the centerpiece. Cozy lighting: pendant lights, weathered iron candeliers, or lantern-style fixtures add warmth. Country kitchen decor ideas: add a rustic island. Use a reclaimed wood table or butcher block as a kitchen island. Display open shelves. Store everyday essentials like flour, sugar, and pasta in glass jars. Incorporate baskets and crates. Open baskets for produce and wooden crates for storage. Hang copper pots and pans. A ceiling pot rack adds both storage and farmhouse charm. Vintage wall decor: old sinks, chalkboards, or herb drying racks makes the kitchen inviting. Mix old and new. Blend modern appliances with antique furniture for a lived-in, practical space. Fresh herbs and flowers: keep potted herbs on the windowsill and wildflowers in a picture. Choose warm cabinet colors. Paint cabinets in soft cream, sage green, or light blue for a cozy farmer's look. Use open storage. Mix closed cabinets with open shelves to display pretty dishes, enamel mugs, and glass jars. Bring in natural wood, a wooden dining table, butcher plug counters, or rustic stalls add warmth and texture. Add vintage accents. Use antique scales, mason jars, or a classic bread box as both decor and storage. I think these tips help you. Thank you so much for watching the video.